I'm Abby.
I'm Avery, and we're back with another video.
We're going to be showing you ways to survive the first day of middle school.
Yeah, because it would have been useful for us to know when we went into middle school. But, yeah.
Okay. So the first thing is find good friends that you actually like and they actually like you.
Yeah.
So number 2 is prepare for the first day. So get all your materials together and get your backpack ready.
Yeah, also make sure that you know your locker combo because you don't want to, carrying around your backpack the whole first day.
Sure. You can also check into the office and they'll help you if you need help.
Yeah, and a lot of times there's, teachers walking around, they have, the keys and stuff. So.
Yeah. And also know your classes in advance and know who's in them and where they are so you aren't completely lost.
Yeah, there's usually, an open house, and that's really useful to go to because then you can, walk around with your schedule.
Yeah, my first day I got lost 5 times. Would not recommend it. It was bad. Next is bring a lunch unless your school lunch is, great, but ours is very bad.
It's terrible. Yeah. We have this thing called Chicken Nugget Tuesday. The chicken nuggets are half breaded and the rest is soggy.
Yeah, it's really gross. Would not recommend it. So
yeah.
Bring a lunch from home. And also sit by good people at lunch because you're going to be sitting by them the whole year most likely.
Yeah, and if you're a 6th grader, you don't want to be that 6th grade group that moves around tables and takes all the 7th and 8th grader spots.
Just find a spot and stay there for the rest of the year.
Otherwise, you'll annoy the crap out of the 7th and 8th graders.
Yeah. So also be nice to your teachers because you don't want to get on their bad side, especially on the first day of school.
Yeah, and it can be really useful to be on the good side of a teacher if you forget an assignment or if you turn something in a day late. They're more likely to be lenient if you're one of their good students rather than the person that
they trust you more. So if you say that you're missing something because you just couldn't get it done, they're gonna trust you and they might give you more work time than if you're a bad student.
Yeah. Also, try hard in all of your classes. Your grades in middle school can determine the classes you take in high school.
And it's easier to have good grades your whole entire school career because then it's easier to get better grades in high school.
Yeah, it's easier to just stay with straight B's and A's than go from C's and D's to B's and A's because you have to get a good GPA in high school.
Yeah. Bring your gym clothes on the first day too, especially if you have gym.
Gym clothes and deodorant.
And don't wear a ton of Axe.
Yeah.
It's
boys
bad.
Seriously. The other day, a boy seriously drenched someone in his cologne, and it was terrible. The whole hall smelled like it, and
just
it
use
a
reasonable amount of perfume and cologne.
Yeah, and don't spray perfume or cologne in the hallways. Also, find a good seat on the bus, because I know a lot of times, at least in our school, it's the 8th graders get the back of the bus, 7th graders get the middle, and 6th graders get the front. And if you're going into 6th grade, you don't want to be that 6th grader that sits in the back of the bus and all the 8th graders hate you because you're sitting in their spot that they've earned through 3 years. We know we have a few 6th graders that sit in the back with us, and it's annoying because they're
it's annoying.
Yeah.
Because they I always try to get into our conversations and.
An iPhone, don't airdrop stuff to
other
people's phones.
People are doing that on our bus, and it's annoying because then we can't go on our phones.
Yeah.
It's okay to be nervous about it because I was.
Everyone's
every
nervous.
year.
And the teachers understand that too. If you're late to a class or something, usually the first week they're pretty lenient.
Yeah.
But you obviously can't be a half hour late to a class. If you're a few minutes late, it's fine.
Yeah. Because people understand why you could be late.
Yeah. Oh, and the bathroom can get super crowded, especially the girls' bathroom, because especially around lunch, people go in there with their big group of friends, and they're all standing in front of the mirror, trying to fix their hair and stuff.
And make sure you know the rules of the school because you don't want to be doing something you aren't supposed to be doing.
Yeah.
Because I've done that before. I went to the wrong bathroom at lunch, and I got in pretty big trouble over it. But
And a lot of stuff that would be fine in elementary school, not fighting with your friends, but play fighting and like making fun of other people, like stuff like that. A lot of times the teachers take that like really seriously. Like
Middle school is a lot more strict than elementary school.
yeah, and you're probably gonna have like a police liaison in your school. Just be nice to them.
Yeah.
You don't want to be one of the people that they watch because it's usually not a very good sign. Anything else you can think of? Soda and energy drinks. Like, a lot of schools don't let you bring like drinks. Energy drinks can be very dangerous, so use them with caution.
Yeah, because that's possible.
It is.
I know, but like no one's gonna be drinking 5,000 energy drinks. Okay, so also do your homework.
Yeah. Don't procrastinate. That's like a big thing because your assignments, they will build up.
Yeah, so just make sure you give yourself time to finish the assignment and you aren't doing it last minute.
Yeah, and if you're really confused about something, like a question, and you know that you're gonna have a quiz on it or something, don't be afraid to ask your teacher. Just go up and ask them because it's better to get over the nerves of asking your teacher than like get a D on a test because you didn't know anything.
Okay, we're ranting a lot about this. Okay, bye now.
Bye.
Okay, that's it.